Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Learn Tech with Asis. And today's topic we have group by. So guys, we were discussing about the function, and suddenly I have used this group by. So I have thought like we have now recently discussed about aggregate function or number function. So this topic is more relevant to the number and the aggregate functions. So that's why I have choose today. So today's agenda we have why do we use group by, what is having, and what is the difference between where clause and having clause. Okay, so guys, let's come to the screen like we have. Okay, so first we will talk like why do we use group by. Okay, let me connect this. Yes. So in my last video we have seen that the sum and the count and the max and these all the things we have used. Okay, so these things are giving a summation or the max or min in all the table. But suppose I have like you need to find the summation for different like department. Suppose you have a department which is admin department or manager or like job, sales job or tech job you have, or you are using like any product category you have, or product name or color or the location wise you need to find the summation. Then what you will do, that time we need to use group by. See, if I run this, let's change it to salary. Okay, so it is more clear guys. Now I have run this, and we can use alias also. So alias I will tell you later. Alias is nothing, just giving a name of the column, nothing more than that. Okay, and see, I am getting summation of the salary is 438,500, which is like a total sum. Now suppose I want to find salary between these jobs, like how much salary we are giving to the exact people who all are in the job. So what we need to do is we can use group by. So if I give here suppose job, okay, and I run this or I execute this command, see, I am getting an error because it is saying either an aggregate function or the group by clause that I am missing. Okay, so what I will do, I will group by job. So here what I am telling to SQL server that I want summation, but I want summation by group by, like group by job. So what exactly a SQL server do, it will find different rows, which is like from admin, from CEO, from engineer, from manager. So it will divide in different group, and then see I will like we can see. So first is our admin. Okay, so this is our first group. So what SQL server will do, it will keep here, and our salary is this. Okay, plus now manager. Okay, so now here it SQL server will not add because admin is a different group for the job and manager is the different group for the job. So for manager this will keep aside. Okay, then you have cells which is of a different job, so this will keep aside this. And now again sales came, so what SQL server will do, this will do here, and I I'm using plus, so don't be confused guys, because I am giving example for sum. Okay, that's why I am using plus. Otherwise, if it is minimum or max or count something, that is a different thing. Okay, now this will, like this, SQL server will come and take, or manager, suppose another manager came, so that it will add like this. So this is the way SQL server will work, and this will return you exact column. Now if I go with the count, okay, I have given the summation, but I can, now I want to find who are, how many employees for different jobs are working. Okay, so this is 2 employees from admin, 1 is CEO, 2 engineer, 3 managers, 2 sales guys, and 2 techies. Okay, so here I can use alias, which is like this you can give. So that's how a group by work. Okay, now next we have having is also as similar as where this will like a filter or a condition given by the user to SQL server, that how many like you can put another having, and this will accept only aggregate functions. Okay, this is not like it will accept a proper column, which is not possible. Okay, so count, I want all the department. Here it is not working in a row. Okay, so keep in mind, if I am giving the count or the sum, let's take sum. Okay, let's take sum, and let me run this so that, okay, suppose I am giving like 47,500 something. Okay, so this should be more than the exact salary. Okay, see guys, only 4 rows are coming, but if you see the same 47,500, okay, if you keep directly in where clause, so there will be so many employees which will not display. See, only 4 employees are displaying. Okay, but here 4 jobs are different, where 1 is CEO, 2 is engineer, 3 is manager, 3 are manager, and 2 are the sales guy. The tech guys are not displaying. You can see that if you keep equal, then you can see tech guys are displaying. Okay, so this is like what is happening here. I explained you how it is like adding for admin, how much it is adding, like let me see that how much it is. Oh, we need to see in the employee actually. Okay, because see 18,000 something he is getting. Okay, plus another admin we have which is also getting 18,000. Okay, and how much it is coming, like 30,000. Okay, like that. So now whatever the result is coming, whatever the summation function is returning, this filter is working on that summation. Okay, are you getting guys? Okay, and now next we have the difference between where and your sum. Okay, where and having. So the first difference I have already told you that having clause will work on your aggregate functions, okay, but where clause works on row wise, okay. Row wise is like if I keep where condition here one by one, one row, two row, three row, four row, like that, the where clause go and filter, it will check one by one, okay. Suppose I am putting here 20,000, okay, and here also will keep 20,000 only, okay. Now let's see here, if you see 10 rows are displaying, okay, but here if you check how many employees are displaying is like 2, 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 8, 10 and 12 employees, okay. So where clause works on row, but having clause works on your aggregation, okay, or aggregate things, okay. Next difference we have, where clause work without group by, but having cannot like work without group by, okay. This will give you a error, okay. So that's the main basic difference we have, group by and where clause, okay. So let's summarize, guys. Let me go to that. So why do we use group by? Because we need to find a summation or count or minimum or maximum values in a group, okay. Group means product category, product color, or department or job, these kind of things. Next we have having. Having is a filter clause which we use only with group, and now we have difference between where clause and having. So it is like where works on row wise and having works on group, okay. Where can work without group by, but having cannot work without group by. So thank you guys for watching, and